Hello guys, I am flying to Taiwan tonight. So currently I need to go out, drop off, return. I need to go to the concert hall to put my jacket in the jacket trunk. So they'll take it to China. It's just a hectic day usually for me on my travel day. And I'm running out of materials because we're not performing this week. Anyway, so I'm going home and I'm very excited. So I thought I'll take you along my travel day. So this is the things I need to bring on this trip. We're gonna do white top and black bottom. Seriously doubt if it's edible. Until next stop. Well, I'm supposed to get something for my brother. This is his favorite flavor. All these candies are locked because people steal easily here at CVS. This, if anyone has watched Seinfeld, this is the original soup kitchen where Larry David got his inspiration from. No soup for you! So I'm going home now and finish my packing. Pack everything and clean my apartment before I leave for the trip. Alright, I'm still packing, but I want to show you guys something interesting. We're going on tour later this summer to China and Vail, Colorado. In our orchestra, we will have schedule book. China goes first and then Vail. It has all the information we need to know. Yeah, mostly just scheduled and my maps and stuff and hotels. All right, these are going. All right, I got my lunch. I also picked up my package. I bought more micro SD card for our trip. A bigger capacity, 256 gigabyte. It's 7 o'clock, about 2 hours before I leave for the airport. I am gonna take a shower. I did pretty much all the cleaning I had to do, and my dishwasher is on. Yeah, just let you see. And then I basically do a pretty good cleanup. I just went out to get some really quick food. This is not what I expected, but whatever. Ooh, then I'm gonna call an Uber tonight. From here to JFK usually costs about like $80 to $100 something.